Imagine a world where a single cup of tea could transform your health and well-being. Welcome to the aromatic journey of rosemary tea, a brew that tantalizes your taste buds and offers a wealth of wellness. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets of rosemary tea and explore the astonishing impact it can have on your body and mind. Rosemary tea isn't just a beverage, it's an age-old remedy, a fragrant elixir that has been cherished for centuries. But what happens when you make it a part of your daily routine? Get ready to be amazed. In the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the potential benefits of rosemary tea. We'll uncover how it can enhance your cognitive abilities, support your heart's health, boost your digestive system, and much more. Rosemary tea is more than just a drink. It's an aromatic journey to a healthier you. So brew yourself a cup of this aromatic elixir, settle into your favorite chair, and join us as we explore the incredible world of rosemary tea. By the end of this video, you'll understand why a daily dose of this herbal infusion might be a missing piece in your quest for a healthier and more vibrant life. Let's get started. Of herbal history. Before we dive headfirst into the world of rosemary tea's benefits, let's take a stroll down the lanes of history. Rosemary, scientifically known as Rosmarinus officinalis, is a fragrant herb with a rich and storied past. For centuries, this herb has been a symbol of remembrance. Ancient Greeks and Romans believed it enhanced memory and concentration. They would wear rosemary garlands during exams and important events to boost their cognitive abilities. But rosemary's influence didn't stop at memory enhancement. It found its way into folk remedies for a range of ailments, from headaches to digestive issues. Its essential oil, derived from the leaves, was considered a potent elixir for health. Today, rosemary is more than a symbol or a flavoring agent. It's a gateway to a treasure trove of health benefits. So, as you sip your rosemary tea, remember that you're tapping into the wisdom of centuries. This humble herb with its aromatic leaves may hold the key to your well-being. Number 1. A cup of wellness. Sipping on a cup of rosemary tea isn't just a pleasant experience, it's an investment in your well-being. This aromatic brew offers a myriad of health benefits that might surprise you. First and foremost, rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid, which acts as a guardian for your cells, protecting them from the damaging effects of free radicals. By incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine, you're providing your body with a powerful tool in the fight against oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Rosemary tea also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a soothing balm for your body, reducing inflammation and potentially alleviating conditions related to inflammation, like arthritis. But that's not all. Rosemary has been linked to improved digestion, better circulation, and even enhanced memory and concentration. So, if you're looking for a holistic approach to well-being, rosemary tea might be your new daily companion. As we journey through the incredible benefits of rosemary tea, you'll discover how this aromatic infusion can transform your health and invigorate your daily routine. Number 2. Cognitive enhancement. Ever wished you could give your brain a boost, naturally and effortlessly? Rosemary tea might be the answer you've been searching for. Rosemary has long been associated with improved cognitive function, and modern research is beginning to unveil the science behind this ancient belief. It's like a brain tonic in your teacup. One of the key compounds in rosemary, rosmarinic acid, has been found to have neuroprotective properties. It can shield your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that contribute to cognitive decline. By sipping on rosemary tea regularly, you're potentially supporting your brain's health. But that's not all. Rosemary's aromatic compounds have a more immediate impact. Inhaling the scent of rosemary can boost your memory and alertness. Imagine having a cup of tea that not only soothes your senses but also sharpens your mental acuity. So, as you embark on this journey with us, you'll learn how a daily cup of rosemary tea can be your secret to enhanced cognitive function, memory retention, and mental clarity. Number 3. A heart-healthy brew. Your heart is your lifeline, and taking good care of it is essential for a healthy, long life. Rosemary tea might just be the elixir your heart has been craving. This aromatic tea contains compounds that can support cardiovascular health. Rosmarinic acid and other antioxidants in rosemary may help lower blood pressure by dilating blood vessels and reducing inflammation. As a result, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, potentially reducing the risk of hypertension and related heart conditions. But there's more. Rosemary has been linked to improved blood circulation, another vital aspect of heart health. Proper blood flow ensures that your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs for optimal functioning. Additionally, rosemary tea's anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to a healthier heart by reducing inflammation in the arteries, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. By making rosemary tea a part of your daily routine, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also indulging in a heart-healthy brew. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore how rosemary tea can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your skin. So, stay with us to uncover the full spectrum of rosemary's incredible benefits. Number 4. Digestive Delight. A happy stomach often leads to a happier you, and rosemary tea might be the solution to improving your digestive health. This aromatic infusion has been traditionally used to ease digestive discomfort. Rosemary is believed to relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can help alleviate issues like indigestion and bloating. Furthermore, rosemary tea's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the stomach lining, potentially reducing the risk of gastritis or ulcers. But the benefits don't stop there. By enhancing the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients, rosemary tea can contribute to overall well-being. After all, a healthy digestive system is the cornerstone of good health. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of rosemary tea's potential to enhance circulation, boost immunity, and rejuvenate your skin. The journey to a healthier you continues. Number 5. Circulation Booster. Proper blood circulation is like a lifeline that ensures your body receives the nutrients and oxygen it needs for optimal functioning. Rosemary tea has the potential to be a natural circulation booster. The compounds in rosemary tea, including rosmarinic acid and its antioxidant properties, have been linked to improving circulation. By relaxing blood vessels and reducing inflammation, rosemary tea may help enhance blood flow, reducing the strain on your heart and ensuring your body's systems function efficiently. Improved circulation can lead to various benefits, from more energy and better skin to quicker recovery after exercise. It also supports the transport of immune cells, which can enhance your body's ability to defend itself against infections and illnesses. As we continue to explore the wonders of rosemary tea, you'll discover how it can boost your immune system, revitalize your skin, and contribute to your overall sense of well-being. So stick around for more insights into the incredible world of this aromatic brew. Number 6. Immunity Enhancer. A robust immune system is your body's natural defense against infections and illnesses. Rosemary tea, with its array of healthful compounds, has the potential to enhance your immune response. This aromatic brew is packed with antioxidants that act as shields for your cells, protecting them from the harmful effects of free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, rosemary tea helps your immune system operate more efficiently. But that's not all. Rosemary also contains essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and calcium, which are vital for immune health. These nutrients support the production and function of immune cells, ensuring your body is well-equipped to combat threats. By making rosemary tea a part of your daily routine, you're potentially strengthening your immune defenses, helping your body ward off infections and illnesses more effectively. As we delve deeper into the benefits of this aromatic brew, you'll discover how rosemary tea can rejuvenate your skin, soothe stress, and contribute to your overall well-being. So, stay with us to uncover the full spectrum of rosemary's incredible advantages. Number 7. Skin Rejuvenator. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health, and rosemary tea might just be the key to unlocking a radiant complexion. The antioxidants in rosemary tea, like rosmarinic acid, help protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals. This means fewer wrinkles, fine lines, and signs of premature aging. The result is a youthful, radiant appearance. Additionally, rosemary tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. It reduces redness and puffiness, leaving your skin looking calm and refreshed. But that's not all. Rosemary tea also aids in the circulation of blood, ensuring your skin receives the nutrients it needs for proper rejuvenation. It promotes the healing of blemishes and can reduce the appearance of scars. By incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine, you're nurturing your skin from the inside out, ensuring it remains healthy, youthful, and vibrant. But the journey doesn't end here. We'll continue to explore how rosemary tea can help relieve stress, enhance hair health, and support weight management. So stay with us as we unveil the full spectrum of this aromatic brew's incredible benefits. Number 8. Stress Reliever. In a world where stress often feels like an unwelcome companion, rosemary tea offers solace and relaxation. Sipping on a cup of this aromatic brew can have a calming effect on your mind and body. The aroma alone has been linked to reduced stress levels and increased alertness. It's like a warm hug for your senses. Rosemary tea's antioxidants work in harmony to soothe your body, helping to reduce stress-related inflammation and oxidative stress. This can lead to a more relaxed state, both mentally and physically. So, whether you're winding down after a long day or preparing for a busy one, a cup of rosemary tea might be just what you need to find a moment of tranquility. It's not just a beverage, it's a chance to reset, relax, and rejuvenate. In the upcoming sections, we'll dive into how rosemary tea can support hair health, aid in weight management, and even offer relief from respiratory issues. So join us as we continue our exploration of the incredible world of this aromatic brew. Number 9. Hair health and vitality. Glossy, vibrant hair is often seen as a symbol of health and vitality, and rosemary tea might be your secret to achieving it. Rosemary has a long history of use in promoting hair health. It's believed to stimulate hair growth by improving circulation to the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. One of the key compounds in rosemary, oxalic acid, has been shown to be particularly beneficial for hair. It helps to reduce hair loss and promote the growth of new hair. If you're looking to maintain a full and healthy head of hair, rosemary tea might be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Additionally, rosemary tea can help combat dandruff and dry scalp. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin, and its antioxidants nourish the scalp, keeping it healthy and flake-free. By embracing rosemary tea as a part of your daily regimen, you're not only sipping on an aromatic brew but also investing in the health and vitality of your hair. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore how it can support weight management, relieve respiratory issues, and even elevate your culinary experiences. So, join us as we delve further into the enchanting world of this aromatic infusion. Number 10. Weight management support. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall well-being, and rosemary tea can be a supportive partner in your weight management journey. One of the key factors that contribute to rosemary tea's potential in weight management is its ability to improve digestion. Well-functioning digestive system can lead to better absorption of nutrients and efficient calorie burning. This, in turn, can support your weight management goals. Additionally, rosemary tea can help control appetite. The aroma of rosemary has been linked to reduce snacking and overeating. By sipping on this aromatic brew, you may find it easier to resist unhealthy temptations and maintain a balanced diet. But that's not all. The antioxidants in rosemary tea help to combat oxidative stress, which can be a contributor to weight gain. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, you're potentially supporting your body in maintaining a healthy weight. So, if you're on a journey to a healthier you, consider making rosemary tea a part of your daily routine. It's a flavorful and aromatic way to support your weight management efforts. Conclusion. As we conclude this aromatic journey through the potential benefits of rosemary tea, I hope you found this exploration as captivating as I have. It's incredible to think that a simple cup of tea can hold the key to so many aspects of well-being. Rosemary tea isn't just a beverage, it's an invitation to a world of health and vitality. It's the ancient wisdom of remembrance and rejuvenation, steeped into every sip. If you're eager to continue unlocking the mysteries of natural remedies and holistic well-being, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. We regularly delve into the fascinating world of herbs, teas, and practices that can elevate your health and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic adventure. May your days be filled with the delightful essence of rosemary, and may your journey to well-being continue to be as enriching as this fragrant elixir. Stay aromatic and stay well.